How to create a bug report. Today I'm going to show you a real bug what I faced on LinkedIn platform. To reproduce this bug, you just need to click share on the YouTube channel or any YouTube video and choose LinkedIn platform as an option. In this case, you'll get a new pop-up with corrupted YouTube video. To debug this issue, let's open a developer console in the browser and check error messages, where we have a lot of them. Some of them have 400 and 410 status code, and if we check the server response message, we'll see a message bad request. So I think that's more than enough to create a bug report to LinkedIn platform. Let's create a new article, and inside of this article, let's ping LinkedIn platform directly to notify about existing issue. Plus, we will have ability to track how many days we will take to fix the found bug. Let's write some warm welcome message, and after it, we should provide several required sections what are required for any bug report. First and main section is steps to reproduce. In this section, you should provide exact, understandable, clear steps what should be completed to reproduce the issue. In our case, we should open any YouTube video, click on share button and choose LinkedIn platform as an option. That's more than enough to reproduce this issue. Let's write those steps and we will move to another one section. This section has a name actual results, where we should describe what actually happens if you reproduce those steps. In our case, the user will receive a new pop-up, and inside of this pop-up we have a corrupted YouTube video. Plus, if we open a developer console, we'll see a lot of error messages. So let's write actual results because they are also important. And based on the actual results, we can group tickets if we have a lot of them submitted for the same root cause. Let's write actual results. After actual results, we should create another one additional required section. It's called expected results. In this section, we should provide information what is expected in case if issue is fixed. For instance, in our case, if issue is fixed, we should receive a new pop-up with correct YouTube video. So let's write expected results. Plus, we can write some additional information for this bug report. Example of additional information. For instance, it could be information about environment. In my case, I used macOS system plus Chrome browser. So let's write those details because they also could be useful to reproduce the issue, because in some cases, some issues can be specific for any environment. As an example, some issues could exist only in Safari browser or in Windows operating system. Also, if people from LinkedIn will have any additional questions or details, let's provide my credentials to help them to communicate with me. And in one hand, we can say what that's it, the bug report is completed and we can send it. But good quality assurance engineers, they try to provide as much information as possible. In our case, we can provide a screenshot, and this screenshot will help developer to understand what the user saw during this issue. So let me open a MonoSnap application to make a screenshot of my MacBook laptop. Let me find it. Okay, let me capture my screen. Let me add some permissions for this application. Okay, and now we can make a screenshot of error messages and of the broken pop-up too. Let me make a new screenshot of the actual error. And that's it. We can paste this screenshot to the bug report, and I really hope what this information will be more than enough to reproduce and to fix this issue. Also, we can add some improvements for the style of the text, but main idea of any bug report is to provide information about steps to reproduce, actual results, expected results, environment what was used to reproduce the issue, and maybe some additional information what could help for investigation. It could be screenshots, logs, and other useful information. So, from my side, that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to subscribe to the channel and leave your opinion in the comments about this video. Thank you guys for your time, and I wish you to have a great weekend. See you guys.